Hey guys, this is Suha. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I have a very special video. As you know, one of the biggest Hindu festival is almost here. Yes, I'm talking about Durga Puja, and today's video will be dedicated to everyone who will be celebrating Durga Puja this year. So this is the look that I will be creating for you. If you guys want to see how I do this, then keep on watching, and if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see more of my videos. And without any further ado, let's get started. Today I want my face to be flawless, so I'm going to take some extra time to prep and prime my face before I move on to my foundation. So the first product that I'll be using is this pore crosset serum, and I'm applying this on a clean face and only where I have pores. I really like this serum for my pores. I feel like it really helps to reduce them. So I know I do look a little bit crazy because I'm curling my hair, but don't worry, it'll all come together. Then I will be using this olay moisturizing lotion, which I always use, but this time I want to mix it with this sunblock by Neutrogena. So if you are going out during the daytime, you want a product that has SPF in it, and this one is SPF 50. If you want a flawless base, you really need to spend a little bit more time to prep your skin. So I will wait a few minutes before I move on with the next step. So now I'm going to apply a primer, and I'm using this e.l.f. poreless primer. This one works great to remove your pores. Not remove them, hide them basically. So I won't be using a lot. I'm just going to use it on the areas where I have a little bit pores. You don't need a lot. This primer immediately blurs out any of your pores. This works great. It's just a really nice primer. So now our face is prepared for foundation. As I said, I want a very flawless base, so I want to use two foundation, and the first one I will be using is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and the second one will be from the Fenty Beauty. First one I'm using is this MAC. So this shade, it does make me look a little bit dark at the end of the day, so I will be mixing it with the Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm using the Eco Tool sponge. Now I'm using this BH Cosmetics Conceal and Corrector, and I'm just taking this shade over here, just trying to highlight that area. So I have applied that same concealer on top of my eyes, and now I will set that with this e.l.f. loose powder. So now I have set my eyes with that powder. I will move on with my eyeshadow, but before that I will do my eyebrows, because doing your eyebrows before applying eyeshadow really helps you with your eye makeup, you know, because it works as a guideline. Where should you stop, how much farther should you go, all those things. So I always like doing my eyebrows before I do my eyeshadow. I will do my eyebrows off camera because that's a very boring business and it takes a lot of time. So let me just do this off camera, and then I'll get back to you in a moment. Okay, so for eyeshadow I will be using this palette over here. This is OTZ Pro 35 color makeup palette. This one is super inexpensive, so you guys can use this. I don't have 3 shades over here. They broke during shipping. Today I won't be applying tons of transition shade like I usually do. I will just go with this color over here. Now I will use a brush like this and apply this brown color. And now I'm just trying to make a cat eye. If it's messy, don't worry. eyeshadows, when you apply them, looks messy at first, but they all come together. Now I will use a brush like this and I will blend. So I don't have anything on my brush right now. Just blending very lightly. Now I'm using this color. Using that same dark shade. As you can see, this time I'm just keeping it outside, not bringing it entirely. So it's time to use another palette, and I'm using this Urban Decay Naked 2, and only going to be using this black color over here because I feel like this black is the most pigmented black I have ever used. I'm just packing my color with that shade, drop it, smoke it out. Very light-handed with your brush. So I'm gonna leave this eye makeup like this, and I'm gonna do my foundation. Then we'll finish the rest of my eyes. I already applied my MAC foundation. Now I will be applying this foundation by Fenty Beauty. Now I will do some contouring. For today I will be using my Sonia Kashuk cream bronzer. I'm using this bare minimal stroke of light and applying this to highlight my under eye area. So I will be baking my under eye area using this Coty Airspun. Okay, where were we with our eyeshadows? So I was applying my Urban Decay black color eyeshadow. Okay, again I'm doing the same thing that I did, and this time I'm also bringing it down. So I don't want to ruin the intensity of that black eyeshadow, but I also want to apply this color over here on the outer edge of my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna apply some glitter now. I'm using this Revolution glitter glue and NYX loose glitter. This is in the color brown. Okay, so I have applied the glue on the back of my hand. Now I'm just going to apply it in the middle. So I will be applying some eyeliner and some lashes off camera, and after that I'll be back in a bit. I have used the Focallure pen liner on the upper lash line and the Rimmel Scandalous Eyes on my lower lash line, and as you can see I have exaggerated the line a little bit. Now I will go with this same palette, and I'm just going to take this shade, just smudging out the line, lower lash line. Okay, so all that is done. Now I will be using the same Urban Decay palette, and I will be using this color over here, this golden type of shade and applying that. Now I'm using this sleek contour palette and using this shade over here. So for blush, I'm using this Sonia Kashuk blush and applying this on my cheeks. Now I will apply this Wet n Wild highlighter on the highest point. So let's take this off and apply some lipstick, and I'll be back in a moment. So here's the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know in the comment section below. And last but not the least, shobaike pujar onek onek shubhecha. আশা করি ভিডিওটা ভালো লেগেছে। যদি ভালো লাগে তাহলে অবশ্যই লাইক দিবেন এবং আমার চ্যানেলে সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলবেন না। আবারো দেখা হবে পরের ভিডিওতে।